Hi guys, today we have Huawei Y6 Prime 2019 LCD replacement. The device is turned off, that's why I didn't show you the screen. I'm going to remove the SIM card slot. It's the first thing you should do first. Now we can just detach the frame from the housing. You can use your nails or you can use any plastic tools. Don't forget that we have a fingerprint flex cable on the back, so when you push and detach the back frame, don't push too much, otherwise you will cut that flex cable. There is a liquid inside at the loudspeaker. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to clean it. But I need first to remove the fingerprint flex cable so I can work better. There is a shield with the 3 screws. You have to remove them, then you can remove the shield, and now you can unplug the fingerprint flex cable, and then you can unplug the battery. I advise you to remove the battery first, then you remove the flex cable of the fingerprint. I'm going to clean whatever is on the back and on the loudspeaker. It should be liquid. It seems so. I smell it, but I didn't smell anything. It seems it's water or something. So I will clean it with alcohol. We have here two flex cable, one to the sub to the main board and one from the screen to the board. I have to remove the loudspeaker so I can get to the screen flex cable and remove it. Unplug screen flex cable. Now I'm going to heat the screen at 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and as you need. The screen is broken, we know, but we don't need to force the screen to remove it with force. We just need to remove it without any harm to the device or your hands. So I'm going to heat it so I can remove it without any problem for me or to the device. I don't need glass to be everywhere on my hands and on the bench. Now you can use the suction cup to push the screen out, and then now you can detach it. Now what we have to do is to clean all over the frame from the glass and from any adhesive or double face. This is very important because when we put the new LCD, we need it to be fit in place without making any edges. We always try to make the job perfect for the customer. Y6 2019, this is the screen, the new LCD. I'm going first to put the screen, make sure it's fit on position, and then I'm going to test the LCD it's working or not. Some screens could came damaged, and that's why I should check it first because of warranty. If you remove the stickers, then the screen will be no longer guaranteed. I also need from you to do that the same as I did. In this way you can protect yourself. I don't know why the flat flex cable seems it's too thick. It should be like the one I removed, but when I press the screen at the top it's good, but in the bottom it's not good. It seems that you have to pin the flex cable to get back on position, and that's why. I'm going to push it slowly to its position, and then I'm going to put the screen flex cable and I will test the screen. I'm comparing the two flex cables if there is any difference, but there is no difference between them. They are the same. The difference is with the new flex cable, the flex cable doesn't bend as the one with the old one. So you have to push it with your hands on position, and this is what causing the problem. The screen doesn't fit on position. Now I was able to push the screen in and it was fit in place. We just need to put the adhesive and that's it. I'm going now, as I told you, to check the screen if it's working first or not. Then I will continue the work. As I told you, the device is turned off because there is no charge, there is no battery. That's why I'm going to put the device on the charger and wait a few seconds to charge and then I can power it on. I don't know the password. I'm going to test all the numbers. Seems everything code the screen is working, but if you have the code you should check the screen from the inside, from all over the edges of the screen to make sure the screen is working, then you can assemble the phone back. Now I'm pushing too much to the screen, not too much to broke the screen, but too much to make the flex cable bend and get back on position as like the factory, because I don't need that flex cable to push the screen out for the customer and the customer will come back told me the screen is out. I don't know why. This is won't be good for you anyway. The better you do the job, the better the customer will be satisfied from you. Now seems all is perfect. Now I'm ready to put the adhesive and assemble the phone back. Now we can remove the sticker. Bring the adhesive. It's E1000. You have to put a small amount all over the frame. Don't put near the ear speaker, the camera, and the sensor. This is very important because when you push the LCD in position, this adhesive could leak to the sensor, to the ear speaker, and to the camera. And this is will make a damage or will block the view and making problems with the phone. Now you can push the screen on the frame on the housing, and that's it. As you can see, the screen is fit perfectly now on position. This flex cable is going under the subboard. As you can see, there is path for it. You have to put it on there. Don't forget to put it. I don't know what does it do, but you have to put it. Connect the screen flex cable on, and then you can put the loudspeaker on position. Now we are going to connect the last piece is the fingerprint, and then we will put the shield with the 3 screws, and now we will assemble the phone back. At this point our job is done. If you have any question, just write it down on the comments below. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.